Today on HandyDadTV, I'm going to complete my master bedroom makeover with new window treatments. I'm replacing these boring blinds with these beautiful Roman shades. Coming up. These Roman shades were handmade by my cousin Cathy, who makes custom window treatments near Charleston, South Carolina. If you're unfamiliar with Roman shades, they're a fabric shade that can be raised or lowered with a cord. They have loops on the back that maintain the creases when raised. Because they're custom made, you can get them in any color or pattern fabric, and either light filtering like these or room darkening. The hardest part of the process was picking the fabrics. We chose a linen fabric with the same soft white tone as our trim paint, and then we chose a navy accent tape that coordinates well with the woven trellis wallpaper behind the bed. After removing the old blind, I gave the whole window a fresh coat of paint and let it dry thoroughly. Installation of the shades was really trivial. The top rails are made of pine, so I started by drilling a couple of pilot holes, being careful not to go all the way through. Otherwise, I'd risk tearing the material on the other side. I centered the top rail in the window and drove the screws into the window frame. Now this is called an inside mount because it covers just the window itself, but it leaves all the window trim visible. Roman shades can also be attached to the window trim or above it for an outside mount. I like Roman shades because they're fabric and they soften the room like curtains. But they provide complete privacy with the simplicity of a blind. If you're in the market for Roman shades or any kind of custom window treatment, check the video description for more information about contacting Cathy. Be sure to check out all the other videos in this series as well as the Master Bathroom Remodel project. They're all linked in the description as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be the first to know when new videos are posted. Look for HandyDadTV on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and visit the website HandyDad.tv for more great ideas and information.